mathematicians. I'm happy you're here today. I have this super crazy picture to show you, and I'm really excited about it. And I want you just to think about what you can do as a mathematician to estimate the amount of space this thing takes up. Okay, so you're gonna see this picture and you're gonna be like, what? And I just want you to think, how much space does that take up? What can I do? What am I wondering? Can I make an estimate? What would that look like? Okay, so what's your go-to strategy to estimate in this situation? Are you ready to see the picture? What? Okay, here is the super crazy picture I was just talking about. This is an irregular figure. Could you imagine having to figure out how many of these could fit in a delivery truck if you were a delivery driver? Or how much space this figure takes up? Yikes! This irregular shaped shipping box would be hard to work around. It would be really important to know the amount of space this object would take up on a delivery truck, so you know how many boxes you can put in the truck to deliver for the day. Okay, so someone has the job of trying to figure out how much this box takes up. Okay, as a mathematician, what are you thinking right now? What are you wondering? What information is missing? Okay, so I have two different directions you can go right now. If you're thinking, oh my goodness, thanks Miss Montague, I am ready to estimate the volume of this crazy looking box, then I want you to pause the video right now and I want you to go try that strategy out. Okay, so you got something in your brain, go for it. Okay, if you're like, Miss Montague, what is this? I'm not sure what you're asking me to do right now, then keep watching, okay? Because I'm going to show you just kind of how I thought about it. Okay, so something that really bothered me as a mathematician about this picture was that there were no dimensions. So I really don't know an exact size of this box, but I wanted to go ahead and create a model that showed like a representation of the box, or something that the box could, like an estimate of what the box could look like, okay? So I have, let me just show you. Here's my irregular figure. It kind of looks like the box. Okay, I'll turn it around a little bit for you. Okay, so there's a couple things that I'm thinking as a mathematician I can do to estimate the volume of the irregular figure. I think I can take both of these rectangular prisms apart. Okay, so then I have one rectangular prism, like how much space does this one take up? And then how much space does this rectangular prism take up? Okay, so I could do something like that. I also thought, okay, so here's my regular figure together again. I also thought I could break this apart to find out how much space that rectangular prism takes up. Okay, so just kind of that one. And this one, which used to be right here, how much space this rectangular prism takes up. Okay, so as a mathematician, those would be my estimation strategies. So about how large is the box, and then how could I calculate the total volume or space that this irregular shape takes up. Okay, good luck. You can do it. Tell me what you think. What do you think the volume of this shape is? What's your strategy? What's your thinking process?